So let's say you started your project and you created a cool map. You add your character to the level and realize that it doesn't have any animations. So what do? Try animation retargeting. Retargeting a character is simple. What you need is the two skeletal meshes that you want your animation from and where you want your animation to. For each one of these skeletal mesh, you will need to create the IK rig. With both IK rig created, you will need to just double click on it. And usually this is a very manual process, but with 5.6, you just need to auto create the retarget chains and auto create the IK. Then it's just a matter of checking that everything will behave as expected. You do the same for the other rig and you're almost finished. The last step is to create the retargeter, which you can find in animation, retargeting, IK retargeter. Let's open it, and here you will need to select your source IK rig and your default IK rig for the target. My source will be the mannequin and the target will be my character. And you should have something like this. You can change the preview here with these settings and change the offset. With this asset, we're gonna retarget any animations that our source skeletal mesh has. We just need to search the animation. So let's just play the jump. Now, you see that our source is playing, but our target isn't. If we go here to the OP stack, we can add new retarget operation. We can add the default operations with this button. And now we have the actual animation. There we have it, the animation. If we wanted to save this animation with our animation or animations selected, we just click on export selected animation. We just select the folder where we want, we can add a prefix, suffix, and let's click on export. If we were doing this over and over again, because we can make a lot of tweaks with this retargeter, we can click on overwrite existing files. So let's just click export, and there we have our new animation just for our new character.